Okay, hey guys. This is Violet's first unboxing. Look at her. She's already kind of going at it. She's a natural. She's a natural. So it is Halloween, and today is Violet and mine anniversary. 6 years ago today, I adopted her on Halloween. So I went and got her a little treat. We got her Halloween shirts on, you can see, and we're celebrating. We're just staying at home. We're gonna do just some kickback, laid back stuff. I'm doing an unboxing later. She's doing an unboxing right now. As you can see, she's about got it open. So I went out and I was going to get her a bark box, but I just did not have time to get it ordered by the time I thought of it. And so I went ahead and I was going to make my own up. Went out to Pet Supply Plus. Let me get down here maybe. I went down to Pet Supply Plus, and this is kind of hard for me because I'm not in great shape. And so I went out there and I thought, okay, I'm just going to buy some stuff and make up my own box, you know, because I have a lot of little boxes and stuff that I could do and everything. And so anyway, so I was going to do that. And as I got a few things there, and I was going to go someplace else and look for some other items. And as I was leaving, I noticed this box, and it was $9.99 for this Pet Supply Plus play box. And it's treats and toys for good girls and boys. And I asked them you can look in it and see what's in it, because I'm very particular about her treats, because she has had some issue with her digestive system in the past. So we're very careful what she eats, and she's just going at it. She loves to unwrap stuff. Christmas time, she unwraps everything. So I looked at it, and the treats seemed to be okay for her, and there's a couple toys and stuff, so I thought, why not? Okay, so let's get into this before she just has a conniption. Look at her, she's going at it. She loves it. Okay, you want Mama to open it for you and see what we got inside? And I added one item in here because I had already bought this item as well, and I got some other treats for her too. So let's open it up this way. Hey, can we open it up this way, Violet? Look, look, look. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness, what's in there? What is in there? And then inside of it, it says, in this box, we have curated some of the best treats, toys, and more to spoil your good girls and boys. Now let them go eat, treat, play, repeat. For your pet-loving friends at Pet Supply Plus. And they said they're going to have these every month there. And I thought, for $9.99, that's not bad. That's a lot cheaper than, oh, she got one of her toys. She loves toys. And so, yeah. So inside there, this is the toy that I got for her, because I have a green one I bought for her when she was a pup. And she still has it. It's the only thing she's never tore up. And she loves this thing. She uses this to clean her teeth. Every time she eats, she'll take it and she holds it like this in her paws and she cleans her teeth with it. And it's getting kind of worn out, and the nubbies aren't as good. So I thought, well, I'll get her a new one this year. So I got her that. That's the only thing extra in here that did not come with the box. So can I show the people this what you got? Oh, you got an Invincibles Outward Hound. Now this is not Halloween themed or anything, but that's okay for me. I mean, that's all right. So she's got invincible, durable seams and tough lining, which we'll see, because she's really tough on toys. And this says it keeps squeaking even after they puncture it. If they puncture it with their teeth, she's gonna keep it's gonna keep squeaking. Lovely. That's just what I need. No stuffing, no mess. So yeah, look at her. She's loving it. Loving it. Okay. All right. There you go. Okay, and I gotta get the tags off of it. Okay, and then the next toy she got was just a ball. Okay, just a basic ball. She likes these things. She tears these up too. What you got there? You got a ball? Oh, you got a ball. You got a ball. Oh, you got a ball. I got a ball. Yes. So I don't think the toys may be as good as what maybe like BarkBox maybe, and I may be checking into that. So I decided normally for Christmas time I get a lot of toys for her, and I wrap them up and she unwraps them. She has a great time. And I'm still going to get some toys for her to unwrap and stuff this year, but I think instead of getting so many of them, I'm going to pare it down a little bit, and then I'm going to get like some type of BarkBox or something for her, Chewy.com box or something for her like every month, because that way she has She has a fun treat every time. And I don't know why, they always get out of camera, don't they? You come back over here. You're a feisty little girl. You're a feisty girl. Look at that. She loves to play. She loves her toys, she loves to play, and she loves her snacks. She loves both. Okay, and another thing that they put in there, which I thought was kind of nice, and this was a free gift. It says Earth-rated dog wipes. And I use these a lot on her because she has the eye thing, you know. Her eyes are weepy all the time. And so, yeah, I go ahead and I use these on her. It says, do not flush, external use only. Our wipes are available in 100 and 400 packs in lavender and unscented. Because dogs agree the best bath is no bath. And it's cruelty-free. Earthrated.com. I've never heard of this company before, but it's USDA certified bio-based product. All right, free gift. So I can always use those because I do wipe her down with these periodically. And her paws, they get, you know, dirty and stuff. And she's a pretty clean dog, and I don't really have to give her a bath like all the time. So that's something wonderful. And she likes to lick on these when I use them on her. All right, next thing we got some Harvest chicken bone broth. I hear bone broth is really good for us, and it's also really good for pets. But there's certain things that you can't have in the pet's bone broth like we would have. Like we would have a lot of times like garlic and onion and that kind of stuff. And those two things are not really good for dogs. So this is a dog-based one, which is great. It says feed 2 tablespoons of broth daily for every 10 pounds of body weight, or as desired. Shake well before use and pour broth onto your pet's meal. Serve cool or warm, but not hot, and refrigerate up to 7 days after opening. Open farm harvest chicken bone broth is intended for intermittent or supplemental feeding only. Okay, and this just has chicken bone broth, carrots, pumpkin, parsley, turmeric, and cinnamon. So those are all good things for the dogs. And, and she's taken off with her wipes. And it says, do some good at Open Farm. We believe that great nutrition is rooted in the integrity of our ingredients. No. Rooted in the integrity of our ingredients. Our Harvest chicken bone broth is made from humanely raised chicken bones, gently simmered to create a collagen-rich and delicious topper for broth for both dogs and cats. Oh, it's for dogs and cats. Cool. It's 100% human-grade ingredients, humanely raised chickens, and natural superfood supplements like the pumpkin has that. So I didn't know they had this. I'm going to start checking into this, and maybe if she likes this, I know she loves broth. So if she likes it, I'm going to go ahead and start giving it to her. So, yeah. All right, the next thing we got is these Beggin' Littles. I've never given these to her, but this says it's made with real bacon, real meat. The first ingredient is pork. It has barley, rice, ground wheat. I'm not real fond of that, but oatmeal, soybean meal, glycerin. So, yeah, these will be just a once-in-a-while thing. Mother of many meatness is what it says. Many meaty masterpieces of mouth-watering bacony goodness. Pint-sized Beggin' lovers prepared to go bonkers. She loves bacon. She absolutely loves bacon. So, excuse me if I got hair in my mouth. Beggin' Littles by Purina. All right, she got that. That's one of her treats. She actually got 3 treats, okay? And Fruitables, Skinny Minis. Now, I get these for her a lot anyway. But I've never seen the rotisserie chicken flavor. Normally we get the apple bacon. She loves that one. But this one's got pumpkin, vegetable glycerin, chickpeas, peas, tapioca starch, honey, chicken flaxseed. You are just a little piece. You are just a little... Get in trouble. You're going to get in trouble. Anyway, it's got really a lot of good stuff in it. It's just skinny in calories, and that's why I like the skinnies, because since she has gotten fixed, I really watch what she gets to eat, because she tends to put some weight on. You tend to put some weight on, don't you? Yes, you do. All right, so there's 3 calories per one of these. All right, skinny in calories, mini in size. These big flavor bites are the ideal training reward. Made with wholesome superfoods, every skinny mini is bursting with maximum goodness. And since they're formulated with calorie smart nutrition, under 3 calories each, you'll feel good about giving them 2. Okay, and then we also got a card, and this is talking about the wipes that they sent. Okay, they're alcohol-free, they're compostable, they're hypoallergenic, they're USDA certified bio-based, which means it's reducing our carbon paw print is important to us. That's why 99% of our wipes content comes from a renewable resource or renewable source. Okay, and it's got a cute little picture of a doggy. Okay, I might be too far away, guys. I don't know. I'm still kind of learning about this. Yeah, the best bath is no bath. We got you covered. That's what it says. Okay, so let's see what she does with some of these treats. All right, let's open this one. Oh, doggy, can you sit? Can you sit and wait? Can you sit? Sit. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a really good girl. Yes, you're a good girl when it comes to treats, aren't you? Are you gonna like this chicken? You gonna like the chicken? Hmm? Is that good? Oh, is that good? Oh, is that good? You enjoying that? Oh, is that good? Okay, you want another one? You want another one? There you go. Happy anniversary, baby. Yes, happy anniversary. I love you. I love you. I'm so glad that I adopted you. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's try the bacon ones. Let's try the bacon ones. Ooh, those smell. Oh, those smell good. Oh, you're sitting with that, Mom telling you to. You're a good girl. You're such a good girl. Oh, and these look like little bacons. Okay, you want one of those? I don't know. She's eating it, but it's a little big for her, I think. So I might have to cut those in half as I give them to her. But she's eating it. Are those good? You like those too? Oh, you get some treats? Okay, guys. So if you want to treat your little furry friend to some cute stuff, this is a nice, cheap way to do it. $9.95. And she's already got the tags taken off for me. She got the tag off this one too. And she'll use this to clean her teeth. And we'll have fun with this. So, this is Violet's first unboxing. I hope you guys give her a round of applause for this. And at the end, last night, I had this sitting up on my counter. And all night long, she went out there and was sitting and looking up at the counter at this. And just woof, woof, woof. And I filmed a little bit of her doing that. So at the end, I'm gonna add that on here so you can see her anticipation. She was waiting patiently all night for this, and she just took her back all her treats. So I gotta go, guys. I gotta grab her. So you guys have a happy Halloween. Okay, love you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I forgot to show you 2 other of her presents that I got her. I got her this bag of sweet potato fries. These are normally like 15 something a bag, and it is like a bag of, it's a 1 pound bag, and she loves these things. They're all natural. They're just, the only ingredient in them is dehydrated sweet potatoes, which I get them from time to time, and I really need to just dehydrate some. Just get a bunch of sweet potatoes and dehydrate them for her, and then throw them in the freezer. It would be a lot cheaper. And I might do that, and I might do a video on how I do it, too, if you guys want to see that. She loves these things as well, and they're really good for her. They don't have a lot of calories, and they're healthy for her, and she loves them. Okay, you want that? Okay, there you go. So dehydrated sweet potatoes. She's all set, man. She's got her little bacon treats, and she's got her little chicken treats, and now these. And I was at Target, and I seen these little pajamas. Now these are a little bit big on her. And it does get cold here. We're in Indiana, and she doesn't have a lot of fur. So it does get cold, and I keep my furnace down quite a bit just to save money because it's expensive, especially in the winter months. So I got these little warm pajamas for her to stay warm, and they are just a little plaid. And they are a little big, but they are like a flannel, so I think they're going to shrink up a little bit. So I'm going to wash them and try to shrink them up and see if that works. If not, then I'll have to take them back and return them. But she looks really cute in them. So yeah, she got those also. So yeah, she made out like a little bandit. She got pajamas. She got you know, her little bark box thingy. But it's not really a bark box, but you know, her little box, doggy box for good girls and boys. She got 3 new toys with that. Well, 2 toys with that, and I got her another toy. She got a pair of pajamas. She got this, and then she got 3 other things to snack on, plus some doggy wipes. So yeah, I think she's having a good Halloween, and I don't need to take her trick-or-treating this year. And yeah, and you know, Halloween anniversary. So but I wanted to jump back on here and show you guys that. Okay, so the next clip on here is going to be her last night just having a fit because she couldn't have her box until today. Okay, love you guys, take care.
Okay, everybody, this little girl right here is driving me nuts. She's standing right there, and she keeps woofing, 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 woofing all night. She keeps woofing and woofing and woofing and carrying on. And I'm like, what is it she's woofing about? Well, up here on the counter, there's some things that she's going to get tomorrow. Look at her. But not today. This is what she's woofing for. And tomorrow she's going to do her own unboxing. But she just won't leave it alone. Okay? So she's driving me nuts. You're driving me nuts, aren't you? Yes, you are. So, no more woofing. No more barking. Okay? It's 12 o'clock. It's almost 12:30 at night, Violet. Okay, we're going to go night-night. You ready to go night-night? And when we get up tomorrow, we'll do that. Okay? Mommy lets you do that in the morning. Now, well, maybe not in the morning, but tomorrow. Tomorrow's our 6th-year anniversary. I adopted her, Violet, 6 years ago. Yes, Mama came and got you 6 years ago, didn't she? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. She's been a joy ever since. Except tonight, you're getting on my nerves. But I love you. But I love you. Are you a sweet girl? Oh, her's a sweet baby. Her mama's a sweet baby. Mama's a sweet baby girl? Yes, she is. Okay. No, not tonight. We do it tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay? We do it tomorrow. All right, we do it tomorrow.